Hello! Welcome to a new video from Septalk. In this video, I'm going to give you some information about books that help you self-study the French language. I have had the same experiences with these books and I want to share it with you in here. So watch the video till the end, press on this if you like it. I want to hear your comments and specifically subscribe my channel for more videos. The first book that I want to introduce is Vocabulaire essentiel du français, meaning essential vocabulary of French language. Of course, it is for the level A1 and A2, but it is available for other levels as well, like B1 or B2. It has 27 units and it covers all vital topics that you need to know to talk about in French. It has also very practical exercises. As you see here, it has more than 350 exercises that you can do after studying each lesson. I remember I was really into this book and I used to do the exercises every day. Don't miss buying that. One of the skills that French learners have always problem with is écouter or listening. So if you want to fundamentally strengthen this skill, here is something that is so helpful. Comprehénsion orale, meaning oral comprehension. It is for niveau 1, but there are other niveau or levels as well, like niveau 2 or niveau 3, I think. So, there is a CD included that you should listen to it to do every exercise. I remember I really reinforced my listening skills after studying this book completely by myself. Okay, let's go through the next. Vocabulaire progressif du français, meaning progressive vocabulary of French. It is for the level débutant or beginner, or A1, A1 in French. It is like an introduction to the vocabularies that you really need to know if you are a beginner in French language. It has so many units with so many exercises. And the very important point about this book is that it has lots of pictures. So it is really difficult if you want to forget some of them. They will really help you memorize them. And it is a good introduction to French vocabulary. Buy this as soon as possible. And here is the same book, but with a different level. Again, Vocabulaire progressif du français, but for the level intermédiaire, intermediate level, or A2 or B1. I can honestly say that I know at least 30% of my knowledge for French expressions from this book. It has like 25 units. It has test d'évaluation, meaning evaluation test that you can test your knowledge after doing all the practices and reading all the units. And also it has corriger, meaning answers to those tests. The vocabulary topics are the same as Vocabulaire progressif du français for level débutant, but it has wider vocabulary and expressions. So if you buy Vocabulaire progressif du français niveau débutant and finish it, the next thing you should do is studying this book. So well, I have introduced 4 books to you in this video that one of them will help you with your écouter, listening, and the other 3 are basically useful for your vocabulary, which will help you in your lire, écrire, and also parler. Because as you know, vocabulary is the infrastructure of every language learner. I hope you have found this video useful and enjoyed it. Thank you.